Shelly Jyoti is a visual artist, fashion designer, poet, and an independent curator whose work references in the cultural context of Indian history. She is trained as a fashion designer from National Institute of Fashion Technology, New Delhi, and she earned her MA in English Literature from Punjab University, Chandigarh. Her work as an artist is centered on historical and iconographic elements within a particular cultural context of Indian history. They draws upon India's colonial past, but is also engaged with contemporary economic exchange by means of collaborations with artisans and non-profit organizations. SALT, the Great March series, is an extension of her previous project, Indigo Narratives, which narrated the history of indigo as a plant color and dye in reference to its sustained presence in the post-colonial identity of Indian history. Her new works on SALT feature a large khadi fabric site-specific installation, 2 sculptural installations with khadi yarns, chenille pipe cleaners and wires, 25 contemporary artworks on khadi as quilt samplers with traditional Azrak printing technique and multimedia spoken poetry. The diaptech artwork with Azrak printing on khadi are in response to ever-rising crime against women. The title of this artwork is Allow Me to Grow Without Fear. There is fully constructed frock installation too in the gallery as a dialogue between the two. One of her Ajrak textile work is a part of the Tapi Museum, that is, Textiles and Art of the People of India, in Surat, India. Her recent curatorial project, Traditional Indian Textiles, is a travelling exhibition of Indian Council of Cultural Relations, ICCR, for ASEAN countries. She was selected among 30 eminent women painters in Delhi by the Sahitya Kala Parishad in 2013. She lives and works in Gurgaon and New Delhi, India.
My present body of work, SALT the Great March, explores social activism founded by Gandhian philosophy of Sarvodaya and Swadharma. The SALT becomes symbolic of Gandhi's renunciatory spirit of cultural and moral values as instruments to create better societies. I am investigating through my art Sarvodaya concept and its spirit to evolve just societies. Can Swadharma become a movement for uplifting of societal values? What are the implications of involving art with an audience where corrupted and corroded human values crumble the foundational strength of the societies? I began my journey for art project SALT the Great March by reading Mark Kurlansky's book SALT, A World History, and then proceeded with a deeper inquiry into Gandhi's historical SALT March. At the same time, my translational research in Ajrak printing works on khadi and quilting on the same became an extended exploration. I have been working with 9th and 10th generation Ajrak artisans in Bhuj since 2009. My aesthetics decision regarding this particular textile printing and dyeing techniques are formed by a sense of responsibility as an artist to preserve these elaborate textile processes by converting the printing technique into an artwork. I hope to contribute towards the preservation of the Ajrak technique through my artwork and through exhibiting in galleries and museums. The wooden blocks used for my contemporary printed works dates back to about 200 years in design history, and the dyes used are natural and eco-friendly. To enhance the textile art, I have used traditional needlecraft techniques with Sujni and Nakshikantha, a running stitch belonging to the 18th century, primarily used by Hindu women. My inspiration for the installation, The March Integrating Khadi, is from a quote from Young India. If we have the Khadi spirit in us, we would surround ourselves with simplicity in every walk of life. The Khadi spirit means illimitable patience. The Khadi spirit means illimitable faith. The Khadi spirit also means fellow feeling with every human being on the earth. The Dandi March demonstrated its visual impact with similarly clothed individual protesters wearing khadi. Many considered this moment as a turning point in an anti-colonial cause for a large part because of the power of unified group of khadi-clad people following Gandhi through this journey. As an artist, my inspiration of this installation is 100,000 people gathered in khadi to march towards Dandi. I am exploring if by wearing khadi, the commitment to the act of wearing by one and all would rekindle the nationalistic feeling in the 21st century. The installation The Threads of Swaraj, Gandhiji called on everyone engaged in the struggle for independence from British to rule, to spin for at least half an hour each day. He credited spinning with spiritual cleansing and saw it as unifying ritual, one that could also provide needed sustenance to the poor and all in India. I'm inspired by the process of spinning as an artist, as a meditative process to perform one's pious duty towards the nation and for general upliftment of all through non-violent but affirmative action. Hence, to me, it carries a very important symbolic and metaphorical meaning.